The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good afternoon, everyone. Here is a live look out at temperatures across the nation. You are seeing that correctly. Las Vegas is at 107 degrees right now. Very, very warm across western portions of the country. Same can be said across parts of the Gulf Coast. Notice Jacksonville at 97, Dallas at 94, Atlanta at 87, Wichita at 88. We're only at 83 degrees here, and we are dealing with high pressure, so we're dealing with mostly clear skies. And in fact, the majority of the country is dealing with mostly clear skies, with the exception of parts of the Northeast this afternoon. What that means for us, we'll see some cooler mornings and some warmer afternoons. We'll also be sticking with some dry air and partly cloudy skies from time to time. Roanoke camera's down, but let's have a look at the other three areas we could see. Wytheville, camera moving around right now thanks to an increase in winds out there. 73 degrees, 83 for Martinsville. Blacksburg is at 77. Radar, nothing to track for you. Not tracking any showers at this time. A couple of clouds out there, but that's about it. We'll stay that way throughout the afternoon, throughout the evening, and throughout the night as well. One thing I do want to point out for you is that our winds are primarily out of the north and west. So all of this week, our winds were out of the south and west. So that was bringing in some humid air, some warm air. Now we're dealing with that cooler air from up north, also dealing with a little bit of downsloping. So that's why our temperatures are still warm, because as the air comes down the mountains, it actually compressionally warms. So that's why our temperatures are in the 80s. We're going to deal with that northwesterly flow through the overnight. So we're going to stay breezy from time to time. But by the time we wake up on our Saturday morning, it's going to still be all in the clear. A couple of clouds here and there. 6 p.m. wind speeds gusting close to 20, possibly 30 miles per hour for the Roanoke Valley and north and west. Parts of Lynchburg and south side going to see winds maybe 15 miles per hour maximum. Everywhere else starts to calm down by 10 p.m. this evening. So once the sun sets, our winds calm down. Then when the sun rises tomorrow, the winds start to ramp back up, but they're not going to get as intense as they were today. As for the rest of the evening, temperatures slowly declining, getting to the upper 60s by 10 p.m. Notice our icons here, mostly sunny through 8 p.m. and the sun sets. Then we're mostly clear throughout the rest of the night. Morning temperatures waking up on our Saturday to kick off the weekend. 53 in Wytheville, 57 in Bedford, Danville also at 57, Floyd 54, and Covington at 56 degrees. High temperatures this weekend. 84 for our Saturday, 83 on Sunday. We're going to be partly cloudy for Saturday, a little bit of a breeze, but Sunday we could see a few showers start to build in. Talking about the early morning from about 7, 8 o'clock all the way through the middle of the afternoon, as we're going to have a weak front that's going to be pushing through. So not a crazy amount of rain, but some hit or miss showers are certainly going to be building in. Here is that front that builds through early on in the morning. Parts of the NRB and the Highlands get some rain first. Then comes the action for parts of south side, Lynchburg, and the Roanoke Valley through about 5, 6 p.m. So after that, we'll actually start to dry out and cool down for our Monday and our Tuesday. But notice the trend as we head into Thursday and Friday of next week, 86 and 88 degrees.